that. Hold on. Again.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Hey pretty girls, it's Pretty Tay. Welcome to the Pretty Girls Club. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl, hey. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is video number 3 of my office transformation, guys. So I'm not going to take out no story. I kind of forgot to keep recording, but I was like, oh my God, I done set up my computer desk and I did not record that. So we're about to walk through my computer desk together, and then you're going to see me kind of put together my pink desk and things like that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And if you watching and you're not subscribed, you might as well subscribe, because you might as well subscribe. Oh, y'all look at that. Hold on. Again. Take that as an example. Make sure y'all use tape. Make sure y'all use tape. If y'all go do this DIY wall, make sure you use tape. But sit back, relax. I'm about to flip y'all around and give y'all a tour of just my computer desk, okay? Okay, girls, so this is what the room is looking like. The next clip, y'all gonna see me put together, not put together, they already put together, but y'all gonna see me bring in my 2 pink desks gonna go against this wall. But right now, we're gonna go over my computer desk. So yes, guys, I'm gonna have a computer desk, and then I'm gonna have a work desk. So first things first, let's get into it. Let's get into literally the computer. Like this, y'all, if y'all have not watched the unboxing, go watch the unboxing right now, because this computer, 10 out of 10, okay? So, right now, I just still have my Windows computer. This is so cute, y'all. I love this computer forever. I don't know where I'm going to put it at. I might put this on my work desk. So then these are just some some labels. So I just use this desk. So if y'all are new, then I've been using this desk to create on, to make bangles and things like that. So I just turned this into my computer desk, and it matches perfectly with the colors of my iMac. So I just have this desk mat. So this is basically like a big mouse pad, if that makes sense. And everything will be linked to my Amazon store. Everything you're gonna see here is from Amazon, obviously, except for the computer. This is my iPad right here in the actual Burberry. The Burberry inspired case is from Amazon. Then that's my phone. My phone is charging up right now. This is the keyboard, and then I just have the magic mouse. I'm still trying to get used to using this mouse, y'all. That mouse to me is hard. And then right here, this is where the magic happened. I'm going to have my thermal printer next to my iMac, and it was pretty easy to upload. I know that I didn't even know that the iMac and the Mumbin was compatible, but it is. All I had to do was just download the Mumbin driver, and then it kind of worked. So this is what my computer desk will look like. I'm going to try to get some cord savers, because y'all know Sassy likes to chew. I might try to find some cord savers, or like some type of little plastic thing to kind of put all the cords in. And then I just have my tripod and then my ring light as well. In the next clip, I'm going to move all this stuff out, and then I'm going to move in my 2 pink desks. So sit back and keep watching.
Tryna smoke with the yak in your mouth. Then we back outside, we said you outside.
Y'all, I guess I did not realize I had this much storage space. Like, I did not realize I had this much space, y'all. So, y'all know what that means. When y'all see empty buckets, that means it is time for a huge restock, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, Black Friday, all this will be back filled with products, okay? So, let's open up this box as well. Let's see what's in here. Y'all, it's just so much stuff. I didn't realize I had this much stuff, to be honest, y'all. Like, I just got a lot of little stuff, okay? So I want to just take everything out this box and sit it on the floor. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am so tired right now. It is, I think, let me check, it is 10:30 p.m. guys. So I literally been working on this room for over an hour. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tour. I'm about to flip y'all around and give y'all a full tour of the Pretty Girl Bangles office. And I will end this video after I get done showing y'all the tour. So I hope you like it. And if you stayed this far in the video, girl, you might as well press that little subscribe button over there. Go ahead and press it right now. Because yeah, you a pretty girl at this point. Like, you're officially a pretty girl. Just go ahead and click that red button, period. So I'm about to flip y'all around now and show y'all the finished. I'm so excited. The finished look. The only thing I have to think about now is how I'm going to operate my lives, but I will figure that out after a while. But right now, I'm about to just show you all the finished product. So boom, I'm about to walk us in. So the first thing you see when you turn to your left, you're going to see our little transportation bucket. Literally, this is where I have all of my orders. I just transport my orders from the post office to my car in the little bucket. Next, we just have this 3-tier bin. Again, guys, most of this stuff is from Amazon. Honestly, everything is from Amazon. I just have this 3-tier bucket. It is pretty empty. I just have some little knick-knack stuff in there for right now. Nothing much in here, but it will get refilled. And then y'all have already seen the infamous wall. When I want to take pictures of Bangles, do some content, I would just use this wall. And I kind of kept this blank because I'll probably be taking personal pictures right here as well. Then this is just a closet space. And then there go my tripod. And then this is where the magic happens. So first things first. As y'all can see, I have my calendar over there, and there goes my September. And then I just have this bucket. This is like my working bucket where I will have my bangles, some finished products, some basic bangles, just things that I know I'm going to be grabbing a lot. I have stuff in here. And then I just have my organizers. This one is pretty empty. And I just have some bubble mailers right here. To be honest, these probably won't stay there. And then at the bottom, I just have my little baggies. And then now we're gonna go over to my desk, guys. This is my favorite part. So I just have my iPad right here. And then in here, I just have some little pens, just some regular Sharpie pens, paper mark, and I also have some pens from Lowland & Co. I just have my split rings right here. Again, stuff that I'm going to be grabbing daily, all the time. And then I just have my tools down here. Then I just have 2 notepads. And I have this really cute phone holder. Like that. And then I have, this is actually for my camera. Just turn it on. I just have that sitting right here for right now. This desk pad or like mouse pad is from Amazon. Then we have our infamous iMac, and then I have my Munbin right here. And then I also have 19 orders to pack. So if you want to see me packing those orders, make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for the next video. Then right here, I just have my ring light, and behind it, I just have my original LLC and then my whiteboard. And then on this side, I have the 2 pink desks y'all always see. Again, both are from Amazon. And I just have some planners and stuff, just knick-knack stuff. These are just some blank beads that I have to get to work on. These are just 2 or 3 of my jewelry display holders. And then I have my, y'all have seen this bucket so much. If you are a original pretty girl, you know I've had this same little bucket since the beginning. And then I just have some more storage space. Again, all this will be getting filled back up eventually, just some more storage space. And then I just have a lot of charms and stuff in there. And now I have my Windows computer under there, and just some more little knick-knack stuff, guys. So this is really the completed office. I'm truly satisfied. I have to get a better trash can or get some pink garbage bags or something for the garbage. And then this is the fan. Like I said, I am truly satisfied. I am super happy with the result. So as y'all can tell, I am super excited about this office space. Like, guys, when I tell y'all, I am ready to kickstart the holiday season. I am ready to kickstart Pretty Girl Bangles 3-year anniversary. We turned 3 November 8th. That is literally about 2 months away. Guys, this office is where all the magic will be happening. I still have to figure out how I'm going to set up my lives, how I'm going to do live. But other than that, I am super happy about this transition. I would not have been able to transition to a new office without you guys' help. So every like, every comment, every subscribe definitely counts. Every minute you see my video definitely counts. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like videos like this, definitely subscribe and stay tuned, because I have so much planned for the fall, guys. I have so much planned for the winter and fall. I am wrapping up 2022 on a high note, guys. So just hang out with me, subscribe, check out all my links down below, check out my Amazon store. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you don't press subscribe by now if you're still here in this part. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, my personal page, business page. Follow me on TikTok, and just keep up with the Pretty Girls Club, because we are here to stay, guys. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.